Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the Roblox not authorized to join error. Alright, let's begin. Start by signing into your Roblox account. Once you're logged in, click the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and go to Settings. From the Settings menu, click on the Privacy tab. Here, scroll down to find the Content Restrictions section. You'll see a slider under Content Maturity. If this slider is set to Minimal, it could block access to certain experiences. To fix the error, simply drag the Content Maturity slider all the way to the right, setting it to Restricted. This change removes limitations and allows you to access all experiences on Roblox, including those with a higher content maturity rating. The error message appears when you're trying to join an experience that doesn't match your current content setting. For example, if your account is set to minimal content, you might be blocked from joining games rated as mild or moderate. By adjusting the maturity setting to restricted, you can bypass this issue and play all available experiences. Once the change is made, return to the Roblox homepage and try joining the experience again. The error should no longer appear. So that's basically how you can fix the not authorized to join error on Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.